mudenyo yone munene obiona na roja go mudenyo yone munene tohie na mbeda hanini mudenyo yone munene yoga hanini mudenyo yone munene wana yoge hanini mudenyo yone munene trasho kia gado muno no kora muganie guko na roja ni aturehera mugeti wake ona nataka aturehera na mwana ewe hiyo ndio celebrate leo ni kujiachilia kwa hali ya wendo mudhoni karibu sana roja karibu sana yes na hii jana na hali ya karibu sana thank you just by the amen Nigoga, thank you so much. Nigo gwiciria ona gwiciria muthoni auro aige na tigukoro ndi mwega muno. Ogo ne thank you so much. Ate ngenya ko hothiririo kiririkana he mutumia witagwo muthoni. Siguma thoreka gukagwethera. Na ndoka nginya na mwana nigetha mwone siguma thoreka gwethera mwana mutu. Ona evidence. Na ndoka na evidence. So thank you so much and of course I'm so much eager gukorwo ngicemania na mafans aito rucio koria Bedford etagwo rugby Bedford Blues Rugby Club. Yes. Forward aria maumite nginya amwe maroma Switzerland, aria maumite Sweden, aria maumite France, aguko UK, London, Milton Keynes, guothe Nottingham, kuria guothe umite rucio we are here for you. Tuma kuria tuma ngongo na ngoko mathaa kenda ni undu wanyu ona muno gutigirika wira ucio na ndungirika ni undu wa gukorwo na inyuĩ tu supportete industry ni ya media. Thank you so much muga support Tony Young, muga support DJ Bull, Karaiko Masa mune makinyira tene cionere cirona riu ni mahikanete ni machamete teri wa goko MC Gikonyore. Yani it's going to be lit na twina aria megukota wanyu ke James Rachel Jerry Aaron na koi eko koi oyo eta wa koi yonata so aria othe magakorwo megoko aria host aria megoko artist presenters Gen Z kuna presenter host Kwena Veronica, Queen of Good Vibes. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, another queen. Yes. Another Queen of Morema and Queen of Good Vibes. Another. Yes. And one other monument I'm going to show you. Ticket. You're lost. Yes. Yes. Aya wahome wa Shaki ya Maroroi na rekwege na taoni na ya Roiro Ashaki ciothe na nituinaga nyimbo kou is one of our sponsors that are the matos sponsor the diaspora insurance. Thank you so much. Karibu sana. Yes. Diaspora insurance. Yeah. Kenya Export. Logistics. Yes, tunarudi kama sponsor wetu. Danhali Awareness Center Assurance. Na ndamurehera kabagara ndamurehera nyapandi ndamurehera mashani kamutaiga woo that is all we doing ndamurehera everything. So see you tomorrow. It's tomorrow then after that tuko na after party tutawaambia ni zao so apatia mpaka leaflets kesho tutawapatia na ya Sunday for your experience tuone Premier League and you do a meet and greet. Premier League mimi sioni kama taona ninasikia nikiumwa na kichwa hiyo hawezani uwezo na kichwa but mimi yenye najua tukicelebrate Arsenal kwa stage endo kesho nitakuwa hapo kufinish kumalo. So thank you so much and thank you Aremato Hoera. Thank you Kenya, thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you very much you guys. Come tomorrow. My family.
Don't worry, you are married. I don't have a problem.
Okay, good.
We can kill your husband.
Hi, how are you, darling?
No.
How are you? How are you? How are you, darling?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, shukran. I'm doing fine.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is Pastor Jonato.
Yeah.
Jonato?
Pastor, I'm a man of God. Pastor.
Pastor Jonato.
Yes, Pastor Gennaro. I used to be a bishop, but the church downgraded me because they found me eating a fellowship.
You're funny, guys.
This is called heavy. We put it when you're preaching. Let me take it someone so that they can iron it. Then I come and minister to you, darling. May the Lord be with you. Guy,